What a day, what a day. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel so we can start this day right. So I just want to touch base with you what's going on other than my previous updates, what's going on in the market, and what is causing this rally, and how did I benefit from this rally. So as you can see, this morning at 8:30, CPI came out and core CPI came out better than expected. We're finally getting to that 2%. Expected was 2%, 2% reported. Actual was 2%. Expected was 3%, and we got that 0.3% and that 0.2%. So tomorrow we're looking for the core. Once the CPI is good, I honestly think tomorrow is going to be even better with PPI reporting tomorrow and core PPI and initial claim and continuous claim. So we're looking for the same thing, which is 0.2% and 0.3% for the month of October. And we're finally getting to that 2% that Jerome Powell has been asking for. So with this in play, guys, once this information come to fruition tomorrow, then we can look forward for another uprising in the market. Even though 10-year Treasury yield is still coming in hot, this is something that we don't want to see, guys. We want 10-year Treasury yield to continue to cool, because with 10-year Treasury yield this high and Nasdaq still breaking new highs and going up, guys, only two things can happen from here. Is either when we pull back aggressively, or if the bulls continue to run, then it's going to rain cash. I'm loving it. So what happened today, why I was able to capitalize on, let's see, I think my gain was around like $600 or $700 on the day. But how did I end up getting to that? Because I have drew my lines, and yesterday I've been watching Nasdaq, because Nasdaq, as you can see, is super overbought. And with that said, guys, look what happened. We pushed up, we got rejected, and we have been bouncing back because the rally was finished and we were just waiting for more news. And again, I drew this line because it acts as a resistance. And therefore, once something has a act as a resistant, chances are it's going to be a resistance. So again, drew this line, Nasdaq hit this line and then pull on back. Why? Because it's a resistance. Once the stock come here, normally what it does is pull back, correct itself, and with better news and with greater news, it continue to rally. Or if the news is not better or greater, it pulls back. So with that said, guys, previously again, Nasdaq found pushed up here, got rejected, sold off, consolidate, and with greater news, pushed up, make a new high. So I drew this line and I said, hey, if this continued to go to pull back, I'm going to short the market, and I did. I captured some capital, and then yesterday, while I was at work, I was able to take a trade, and it turns out in my favor because again, strong resistance, goes up, pull back. And then what I did, I drew this line and I said, hey, this is what happened yesterday. Nasdaq pulled back, found its support right here, and then push immediately recover. So I was like, okay, the bulls are still in run. So this morning, what I did contributing to my success this morning was I drew this line. I saw that Nasdaq pull back and it found its support at the same line. So I said, okay, since Nasdaq found support here, chances are it's going to do the same thing again. It found its support and pushed up, and then from there we took off. Why? Because the news was better than the CPI was good and the core CPI was good also. So those news contributed to the market going up. And tomorrow we can either see a continuous going up or a pullback at 8:30. So watch out for that. If not, then if we pull back, you know what to do. We're short in the market, and most of the stocks are going to pull back. But as you can see on the day, Nasdaq is green, over 56 points in this time, and it continuously making new high. See, there we go. We're at a new all-time high, guys. Nasdaq just make a new all-time high. So with that said, guys, how can we benefit from this? All the stocks that you guys have been watching and waiting to invest in, go ahead, pull the trigger, make that move and buy those stocks, because from here I see the market going tremendously higher and higher. It's going to keep breaking bars. It's going to keep making higher moves. And from here, I don't see anything pulling back. For example, let's look at this stock that I've been watching. This stock is called Cava. Reported earnings this morning all the way up to 172. And this is something that you want to see. Most times when a great company report earnings and the earnings is good, they pushed up pre-market, and then after when market open, it gradually pulls itself back, correct itself, and with that correction, that's when you want to get in. So look what Cava did. Cava reported good earnings, pushed all the way up to 172, and it's correcting itself now. Where does Cava find correction? Where is support for Cava? So for the last 180 days, Cava finds support at 142. So if you want to go long in this company, great company, do your due diligence. Normally find support over 200-day EMA at 77.11, or at our moving exponential line at 141. So you do your homework, and if you want to get in it, now it's super overbought, as you can see in our RSI right here, and the MACD is not super overbought because we're still trading in the range where we have room to go. But our RSI is telling us that we pull back a little. So from here is either we can continue to climb all the way up here on our MACD as it did before and continue to making new moves. And Nvidia, I can tell you this stock is soon to be $300 or $200 a share. Resistance, strong resistance here at all-time high, and it normally finds support at our moving exponential line, which brings us at 145. And earlier today, what it did, let's zoom in on a closer look. It came all the way down to 145.90, found support, and took right back off. So again, guys, please like, subscribe, and if there's anything I can help you in the market with, let me know, because I am here for you. This is the main reason why I created this channel, so I can help you guys to make productive trade and to make precise trades. So let's grow our accounts together. Like and subscribe and share this channel. Until then, stay green in the stock market.